Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger bubbles on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to use the chat heads or the chat bubbles option on your Android device, then here are some fixes you could consider trying. This usually happens because bubbles are either disabled on your Messenger or in the notification settings. In order to fix that, make sure to enable the Messenger bubble in your Messenger app. To do that, simply tap open your Messenger application and make sure that you are logged into your Messenger app. Now, from the main home page or the chat screen of Messenger, tap on your profile icon at the top left-hand corner. From your profile page, scroll down and tap on the toggle button right next to chat heads. Once you do that, go back by tapping on the arrow located at the top left. Once you turn on the settings, you'll be able to enable chat bubbles or chat heads option on your Messenger app. If enabling the options does not help you, the next thing to do is to check in-app settings and permissions for Messenger app. Simply tap open settings from your Android device and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. Find Messenger from the list of the apps displayed and give it a tap. Scroll down and tap on notifications. Make sure that the show notifications button is enabled and also make sure to enable chats option at the bottom. Now go back and once you make this change, you'll be able to solve your issue for Messenger app. If that still does not work, you can try clearing logical data from Facebook Messenger. Open settings one more time and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. Search for Messenger app from the list and tap it on. From the app info page, tap storage. Tap clear cache at the bottom right in order to clear out your cache data from your Messenger app. Now, tap clear data at the bottom left, but make sure that you know your Facebook account's credentials to log in back to your account. Select OK if you do, and once you do that, go back to your Facebook Messenger app, tap it open, and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever you're not being able to see your chat bubbles or chat heads on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.